Sight word need by eslkidsworld.com. N-E-E-D, need. I need a whisk. I need a measuring cup. I need a rolling pin. I need a spatula. I need a blender. Let's review. What do you need? I need a measuring cup. What do you need? I need a blender. What do you need? I need a spatula. What do you need? I need a rolling pin. What do you need? I need a whisk. For more videos, click the like button or subscribe below.